Yo, what is going on today, guys? It's your boy Nick's Gaming back once again today, and we're bringing you another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, in this video, guys, we're going to be discussing how to stream your PS4 to your PC completely for free, without an Elgato, with no capture card, nothing like that. As long as if you have a computer and a PS4 and your USB cable for your controller, you're good to go. If you guys are in the mood to buy a new gaming PC, streaming PC, editing PC, whatever it may be, go check out Evolve Gaming and use our discount code NIX at checkout, and that will help support our channel here. If you guys want to discuss this topic or any other topic further, then feel free to hit me up on my Twitch page, which is Nick's Official. But without any further ado, guys, let's actually jump on into teaching you how to stream from your PS4 to your computer completely for free. Alright guys, once again, this is how to stream your PS4 to your computer completely for free. Unfortunately, it's only for PS4. I'm sure there's similar ways for Xbox or Switch or things like that, but this is strictly for PS4. So guys, let's talk specs. All you really need is 8 gigs of RAM is what I recommend, and that is also the exact same as Google recommends, is 4 to 8 gigs of RAM. I recommend 8 gigs of RAM. Half decent card, like by half decent I mean a mediocre video card, and that is it. Like, I'm running a GT 710 in my streaming PC for this method and had no issues at all. So that's what we would highly recommend you guys to have at least, and obviously a decent processor and stuff in there as well, but I don't know the exact specs. Obviously a quick Google search will look it up, but basically from what I found, it's really just that RAM you gotta pay attention to and your video card. Alright guys, basically what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to choose, if you haven't already, your OBS. There's lots of OBSs to use, and that is Stream Elements, Streamlabs, OBS Studio. There's tons, and basically just Google OBS, research each of the different programs to find the right one for you. For me, that was Stream Elements, so that's the one I will recommend for you guys. But obviously if you are brand new to streaming and you need something a little bit easier to use and you have a really good PC, then maybe Streamlabs is better for you. Or let's say you really know what you're doing and you don't want any of that new high-tech stuff, then maybe OBS Studio is for you. Basically Google it and try to figure out exactly what you guys want for an OBS. After you install it and have it all set up, you will need to know your stream key for your platform that you want to use. Obviously, if you guys are already streaming or already streaming a bit, you guys will already understand stream keys and all of that, but basically under your streamer dashboard on whatever program you're using will be a stream key, and you can input that in the settings on your OBS to be able to actually stream to that platform. So basically after your OBS is all set up and everything, the program you're going to want to download that is going to replace your Elgato or capture card or whatever that you're using to actually record your gameplay and bring it to your screen, you're going to want to use the remote play. The reason I say that is that, one, it is completely free as long as if you have a PS4. And so if you're streaming from PS4, there's really no need other than quality in order or to get a capture card. But if you're just streaming right from your system, or you're just starting streaming or something like that, then obviously you're not going to want to spend any money, so this is the way for you guys. So the first thing is the link. I'm going to include this link in the description below to this webpage, and in here it will show you all the steps you need to take to set up remote play on your PS4. and how to connect it to your computer. Also, right in here under number 2, there is the download remote play app from the PlayStation website. So after you have all of that all downloaded, set up, and everything, I already have it as well, you're gonna actually want to go ahead and open it. So you're gonna want to go ahead and open it. I've opened it. Here you won't actually see it because of my overlays, but we've opened it, and now what we're gonna want to do is open our OBS, and you're gonna have something that looks very, very similar to this screen here. Alright guys, we are in our OBS here, and only thing I've actually done is I've added a image file over top so you guys just don't get a headache and get confused by looking at the same screen zooming in 10,000.5 times. So I've just added an image there, so you won't have that image, and you won't have any sources over on the right or over on the left hand side or any of the scenes. So you're gonna want to create your new scene, obviously, and whatnot, and add your sources. But the way you're gonna add your gameplay source in here is you're gonna hit over here and go add. When you go into add, you're gonna find here window capture, and obviously in the window capture here as well, you're gonna hit create new, and then you'll be able to find your browser source, or not your browser source, sorry, your window capture. So when you have your window capture here, all of a sudden all you do is plug in your remote, hit start, and away you go. So guys, that is very, very simple how to add your gameplay in. Obviously, if I had my PS4 running and stuff right now, this where it says use your PC to enjoy your PS4 even when you're away from it, like that screen would obviously be my gameplay screen. So guys, we really hope this will help you guys connect your PS4 to your PC to be able to stream completely for free without having to spend unnecessary money at the beginning of your streaming career. If you guys like this and other videos in this series, then please guys, please consider following me on Twitch, which will be linked in the description below. Till next time guys, we hope you have a wonderful evening. Till next time, peace.